Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming hardware and software so fast charging can actually work. Use the original or a certified 9V/2A charger and a good cable. Cheap cables limit current. Once done, go to Settings and verify battery menus and USB charging permissions. Make sure your phone system is updated to the latest firmware so charging profiles are recognized correctly. This prevents misreporting. These steps ensure the phone can negotiate higher current safely and reliably before you enable the actual feature inside the phone. Open Settings, then Battery, and locate Fast Charge or Flash Charge. Toggle it on so the system requests higher current. At the same time, disable Battery Saver and any background app restrictions that throttle power draw, because the phone needs full power negotiation. Plug the certified charger in, then observe the lock screen animation or status bar for a fast charge indicator. This confirms negotiation of the higher voltage or current is successful. Complete the session by letting the device reach a practical threshold, around 80%, because many phones slow charging after that to protect the battery. If the phone fails to fast charge, swap to another certified cable and adapter first. Connectors wear and ports get dirty, which blocks negotiation. Make sure USB data and charging pins are clean. If problems persist, reboot or reset system settings to clear conflicts, and only perform a factory reset as a last resort after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.